So, welcome back. I hope you're doing great. Today I have a different kind of video for you guys. It's a point of view video of me shooting in the forest. And I thought I would do this because when I first started out with photography, I watched a lot of these point of view videos because I really think you learn a lot from them to just see how other photographers shoot their photos. And when I looked on YouTube, I couldn't really find anyone making point of view videos from the forest or just some nature photography. It was all street photography. So I thought I might give it a go for all of you guys who is not into street photography but is more into nature photography like me. It's the first one I've made and the GoPro footage isn't the best, but you should get a preview and a feeling of how I shoot. Today I was out shooting alone. Normally I would actually shoot with a friend, so I have someone to shoot. So I have someone to be in the frame for me. Today I used one of the techniques I talked about last video. So enjoy the video and hope you like these kind of videos as well. So we have now arrived in the forest and I am ready to go take some photos. It's been a long time since I've just been going out to take photos. So I thought I will bring you guys along with a GoPro and hopefully I will shoot a lot on this lens, the 100 to 400 from Sigma, because I haven't shot a lot on it yet, but just gotten 2 or 3 shots before getting here that you can see here now, and that is shot on this, and I think the photos turned out really good. So hopefully the photos will turn out great, and I will switch over to the GoPro now. So let's begin. So I'm gonna bring along the tripod at first because I want a photo up here with me standing over there, and I have my yellow jacket on, as you can see. So I should stand out a lot. I think I'm gonna take it at 100 of a second and then just boost the ISO. So I wanted 0.7 to 1 stop under. And then we have to set it at 10 seconds and then I take 3 shots. Press. Yeah, that's sick. Yeah, let's go further. Normally when I would shoot for Instagram photos, as I do right now, I would shoot it in portrait. But because I have the 100 to 400 on, that weighs a lot. So if I have it in portrait mode on this tripod, it will automatically bend down a bit like this, and then it won't stay in its position where I want it to. So we have to shoot it in landscape and then crop it in afterwards. But I think it's a good thing I have the yellow jacket on. I don't use it a lot anymore because I have another jacket that I use that I think is better for going out in the forest, but this one just stands out way more. This is actually a pretty good shot. This is perfect. Hey. Yeah, that was good. She just walked by because I could see how the photo would turn out. So 10 seconds, 3 photos, and then we go. I have the bag on now. I think I took the photos. Yeah, this is sick. Holy. Yeah. So let's pack up the tripod. All packed up. So this is gonna be a bit easier to take landscape photos because it's just not optimal to go around with a tripod in your hands all the time. The top of these trees, okay. Still want to get some of the fog in the photo. So we have an opening, but that's just too much. Maybe down here. This could actually be pretty sick. If I stand up here. Go a bit back. Get this in the foreground. I can see the tree over there. Zoom a bit out. Just getting out from my arms. Yeah. So this is where I already shot with the drone. I actually think this looks pretty cool. Just go a bit back. It's pretty cool. Oh, almost slipped. Let's go out here and see. Because we're almost back, then we have made a whole round. Yeah, this is where I shot my photo with the drone. Oh. I think we got it actually. Let's get down here. Nice. Get the reflection. Maybe even further down. Zoom in a bit. That's actually pretty sick. Okay. Maybe I actually should put the tripod up here, because this photo is sick. Like if I turn this down to this and then go down and stand there. I just think it's too far away maybe. Yeah, I can't get down there. But we can take the photo anyway. Yeah. It's pretty cool. Look at the sun rays here. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. So that was just a little small point of view video of how I actually take photos, and this is pretty much what I do when I'm out shooting. I normally go out for more than half an hour to 45 minutes, maybe 3 hours or 4 hours, and just spend a half a day out in the forest to take photos. But I thought it would give you guys a little preview on how I actually take my photos when I'm out shooting. So I hope you liked the videos. Leave a like if you did, and comment down below what you think of these kind of videos, and if you want me to make more of these. And subscribe if you want and like the content. It's free, and I will see you in the next video.